Okay, so year 2 work, task even. I would like you to get a piece of paper or draw in your books this grid. So you need to have 4 quadrants. The top one, fractions equal to 1 whole. The next column, fractions less than 1 whole. And then we've got unit fractions and non-unit fractions. So remember, unit fractions is where you've got 1 part shaded out of a certain number of equal parts, and non-unit fractions is more than 1 part shaded out of however many parts there are. For example, 1 quarter is, or a quarter is a unit fraction. 2 quarters is a non-unit fraction because it's 2 parts shaded out of 4. Then I want you to write down these equations. These fractions, please. So write down all of these fractions. So we've got a half. Can you see that? Half, 3 quarters, 3 out of 3, so 3/3, 2 halves, 1/3, a quarter, and I'm going to leave you to read these by yourself. And then you're going to put each of those into the correct section. Okay? Fractions equal to 1 whole, fractions less than 1 whole. So you're going to take a fraction. So 1 quarter, it's 1 part out of 4, so that means it's going to be a unit fraction, so it's going to be in one of these, this row here. Is it equal to a whole, or is it less than a whole? You choose which one you're going to put it in. You don't need to cut them out if you don't want to. You can write them in if you wish. But by the time you finished, you should have filled this in somehow. You don't have to fill in every single box. And then you can explain to me how you know what a whole fraction looks like. So I know what a unit fraction looks like. I know what a non-unit fraction looks like. I want to know what a whole fraction is. Can you explain that to me?